Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Here's a sneak peek of all the penny items that I was able to get yesterday at the Dollar General. And I'm just going to let that visual play. And when this is done, stay tuned for the bargain hunt haul. Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. I hope you enjoyed that Dollar General highlight there of the surprise pennies that Christie's Connections posted yesterday. I did take visuals of those so that I would have the pictures. So I got quite a few pennies yesterday or today actually, this morning at the Dollar General. And I'm not mad about it. Got the light up balloons, and we got candy and pet food, and y'all know I have a dog and a cat. So I was definitely happy about that. I sent some items in the house, so I didn't have visuals of those for you, but that was the pet dog bone, and not the jumbo one, but the regular size one. The jumbo ones are not on sale, or have not pennied out. And then I got the K-cups for coffee, the clover pumpkin spice flavor. Those were the only ones they had of those, so I've already sent that in the house. I'm going to send my little dog food that I got. They only had one, but that's okay. Langston is going to love it. So I got that for him. So I also went to Bargain Hunt, and our Bargain Hunt is closing. Right now, they're only 10 to 20% off. I did get one free item because there was no price tag on it, and she didn't feel like fooling with it, so not sure where we put it, but we'll see where it's at. In the meantime, let me just show you what else I picked up. All right, so they had these Trolls 2-piece bath towel washcloth sets. These were 30% off of $7.99. So I did go ahead and pick them up. They only had 2 of them. And I got both of them because y'all know I still have some troll heads back there or up there somewhere to make these troll gifts with. So I did pick that towel set up. They also have these little troll cases. All right, this one, Troll Pencil Pouch World Tour. These were $2.29. They were 30% off of $2.29. So $1 and some change for these. I picked up 2 of those. Here's the other towel set. This is Trolls. Picked up 2 of those pouches. And of course, I'll be doing these for Easter. You know, like I said, I always shop ahead of the game. I do have quite a bit of Easter items, but that's okay. We got quite a bit more. All right, then I picked up these freeze pops that are in the shapes of bunnies. These were 4 for $1.99, and they were 40% off. The kitchen stuff at Bargain Hunt is 40% off. And I picked up 4 of these, so I may break them up, or I may put the whole thing in the sets, but this is what they look like. They're very cute. Right, and they just make their own freeze pops. Pour it, you know how that Kool-Aid is. Pour some Kool-Aid in there, freeze it, and boom, there you go. All right, and then this is the free item. Didn't have a price tag on it, so she gave them to me, and it consists of 4 loofahs. All right, and these will be being used tonight. Well, that is all I got in that bag. Bargain hunt. Like I said, they did not have a huge percentage off, so I did not get a whole lot of stuff there. I did pick up some transparent tape because it was $1.50 and it was 40% off. So I went ahead and picked all of those up. Well, not all of them. I picked up 8 rolls of that. Right, and then they have these little trophy baskets. That's what I call them. Or ice buckets. All right, and the price on these was $2. All right, and they were 40% off of the $2. So I picked up 4 of those. And I will build some concepts with those. Maybe for Father's Day. Because my intention was to use those for the men. All right, so that is what I picked up at Bargain Hunt. Not a whole lot. But I did get enough. And a lot of the items I got will be for Easter. This is from Dollar General. These were a penny. These are the cutting boards. Very nice cutting boards. And this is a very good size. You can easily put a picture on this and use it as a backer. Or put a picture on it just to decorate it up. To put in your baskets. But those were a penny. So that's the Good Cook brand. These are the, what size are these? 12 by 15. All right, these are the 12 by 15 cutting boards at Dollar General. They are a penny. So I did pick up quite a few items from Dollar General. I picked up several items from Bargain Hunt. And it's been a good day. So now I got to get busy, y'all. I got baskets to make. I hope that you all have an amazing rest of your Sunday. You all stay fresh, be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Bye-bye, y'all.